Hey everybody, welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can disable double-click to install apps from App Store on your iPhone. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also be sure to put your likes below the video and write your comments after watching. And let's get started friends. And let's say that if you have a situation where you go to the App Store and you need to download an app or a game or something. You have to press the power button twice to do that. If you don't like this feature, you want to disable it, then I will show you how you can easily do it. So, first of all, please open the settings on your iPhone. Next, swipe down a little bit and select Screen Time. Next, swipe down a little bit as well and select this option here. Here you will need to go to an option called iTunes and App Store Purchases. And then right here in this section, you need to select Place Always, Confirm Never. Just like that. Now go back to Settings. And here you'll select Face ID and Password. And then enter your phone password. And next, friends, you'll need to find also iTunes and App Store here. And you'll need to either turn off or make sure that you have this setting turned off. After that, friends, when you go to the App Store app again and try to download some game for the program, you won't be required to double tap. For example, you won't have face scanning. In order to download or install something, you will need to keep your Apple ID password to confirm that it is really you doing it. That's how, friends, you can disable double-click to install apps from App Store on iPhone. Hope this video was helpful and useful to you, friends. Please don't forget to put your likes, be sure to write your comments and also subscribe to this channel. Bye-bye, friends.